All right, so tampering it down. I've tampered it all the way to there. So now I'm just kind of fluffing it in. Worst part is it's supposed to get rain. The other worst part is I didn't realize it until I got done, and my mom pointed out this line is exactly where the water goes. So it's going to be the river. Hopefully it doesn't wash out all of the water or all of this dirt. So I'm not happy about that. All right, so halfway done. Actually, right there is where I stopped. And this is what I've gotten so far. Gotten all this done, all this compacted down to make sure it was good. All right, so I did, like I said, I compacted it down, made sure it was good. I'm all the way up to there, compacting, using the extra dirt that I have for the low spots, filling it up. I wanted a little bit of a bubble because it's gonna settle. And then the rest, I'm not gonna dump in my leftover pile because I don't have that anymore. So up front where I have that erosion, boom, that's where that's going. All that's gonna go up there to the erosion. There's not much, but it'll be enough to get another like 6 feet probably done. So I'm gonna finish this up, double check everything, triple check everything, and this will be done. It's supposed to rain here in a little bit, and it's definitely gonna be raining the rest of the week. So when the river comes through, that's when the real test of what this is gonna look like. Probably next weekend. So, good to up front. So as you can see, I filled in all those spots. That's actually where I dumped all my water and humic anyways. So from here on, need more dirt. So I have some. So that probably only get me to there. But at least I'll get someplace. So it'll do something. Man, I'm exhausted. But it is what it is. Life of a homeowner. All right, just got done. It's about 87 right now. I don't even know what time it is. Maybe noon. Anyways, that's what I got left. That little cleanup right there. That cleanup. Everything else is done. I don't know how people can make videos and look completely clean and not sweaty at all. It's a good day. Good day outside. Tomorrow's Father's Day. I've done 58 videos in less than 3 weeks. Almost done. All right, cleanup looks good. I'm not gonna drive all the way down there. So there, you can see the crooked line that I got. It tees off basically right here underneath me to there, and I've already cleaned that piece up. I will say, I really love this cherry NOS. It's good stuff. Purple NOS is better. Cherry's good for ever so often. It's so cherry. It's really good. It's called cherried out on purpose. Let's push it to the limit. I don't have that on the front here for no reason. I do want to show a month ago when I did the first erosion where I fixed this part. I got weeds and stuff growing in. I got grass growing in actually, Bermuda. Same up here. It's starting to grow in. You can kind of see it. I'm letting this stuff grow out all the way down. I've not had any erosion. This right here is actually from me yesterday when I was draining my tow sprayer. I've gotten big thick runners coming through there, a lot of runners, a lot of running. This is the brand new stuff. This is ones I did today. Started there. So excellent. Just gotta finish her off. I don't know if this is actually gonna have anything grow in it. If not, oh well. I'll take it out, put new dirt in there, be good. This side yard is actually starting to fill in good. They don't call me the lawn pusher for nothing.